My people, how na dey? Na see your babe MJ. This tutorial, I wan show you how you fit fix bishop collar on top your fabric. I get this top here, so I need to fix bishop collar on top. For my own bishop collar, it go just dey from somewhere here all the way round, stop for the other side. No be say e dey cover the whole neckline. So may I show you how to do am. Now for my bishop collar, from the center back reach where I want make e stop for the front of the neck, na 8 inches. So once I measure that my 8 inches, your own fit be any other thing wey you measure, but my own na 8 inches. So this 8 inches na I go work with on top of my pattern paper. Now my pattern paper dey here. Remember say I don measure 8 inches for my collar. So on top my pattern paper like this, I go measure 8.5 inches straight. Now the length of my collar be that. But you know say I go still sew am, so I'll leave ½ inch as the allowance. Then the height of the collar, the height dey variable. This collar wey I wan do, I wan make e dey like 2 inches high. So na im be say from down like that, my collar dey 2 inches high. So next thing to do na just to cut am out straight as I don mark am. 8 inches the length of the collar, then the height of the collar. So I will cut that one out like that. Now the next thing to do with this collar be say, if I cut am on top fabric like this, fix am, the thing go just stand, e no go lay to the neckline. So wetin I go do be say, the portion of the collar wey dey go the back, I'll measure am out. From my own cloth, the portion of the back na 4 inches. So na im be say this line na im dey go back, all this one na im dey go front. So this part wey dey go front, I go divide am into 2 other parts. I get like 4.5 there, so I fit divide am into 2 parts like this. Okay, then you know say as this collar dey, the upside dey there and the downside dey there. I don label am up and down. Now these lines wey I don introduce, I need to slash the lines from up go down. No be say I go cut am out o, but I go just slash am from up to down, just to give am that clean effect to the neckline. So next thing wey I go do now, I go invert am just like 1/4 inch like that, and I go pin am. What the lines wey I slash, just 1/4 inch. Make we forget that clean effect to the neckline. And the last one. So you see say the collar don get another shape already. You see say e no straight again. So now my center back be this, now my front be this. The front part of the collar gets another shape. So I don't curve the front part of the collar. So you see my collar like this. You see as this place go. This place go fit cling to the neckline. So I will cut this one on top of fabric now. So I don't place my pattern on top the fabric. Now my center back be this, and at the front dey there. Now the front side of my collar dey open, so I fit to cut am out. Because of this my sequin material wey I dey use, I go need another material like bridle to turn am, so that nobody disturb the person for neck. You know say if I double this one now, put am for the neckline, e fit dey cause irritation for the neckline. So now my collar be that. I'll cut out bridal material now, where I go use turn am, and I'll put am paper stay so that it go lay well. Okay, so now I don't cut the bridal material wey go be my facing. and I will use black paper stay to give am firmness. So now the collar be this, now my facing be this one. So once I put stay, the first thing wey I go do be say I go lock the upper side of the collar, because now this lower side na im go hold the neck. So now this upper side I go close first. So you see how my collar don come out now. I don use the bridal material turn am, and I don notch my center back. So center back to the center back of the fabric, then I go stitch am. So once I stitch am now, I'll show you how the collar come out. So you see my collar, you see how the thing dey to my neckline. So now just that simple trick will make the bishop collar work very well. I see your babe end this in another tutorial. Bye.